Tonight on Cooking Fantastic, we're having Welsh burgers with a Yorkshire twist. Warm the pan up a little bit. They don't do things by hour, these Welsh folk, do they? Welsh folk. How thick they are. Leave them to cook for a little bit. Let's have a look, see how they're doing. Looking alright. Just give them a flip. No, that's not looking so bad, is it? Oh, that's sizzling nice, isn't it? Now I have made a bit of a gaff because I haven't got any cheese, I haven't got any sauces, so it's going to be simple burgers.
You got jam?
I'm not putting jam on.
What?
Oh yeah, let's give this a flip. Oh, they're doing alright. Trying not to burn them. I've turned the heat down so they don't burn. I think I'll put them back on that side for a few more minutes.
They do take a while.
Yeah. Let's have another look. Oh, that's looking alright, isn't it? Another flip and a look. Oh, filthy, filthy, filthy. Right, let's flip this and have another look. Oh, they're looking good, aren't they? Yeah. A couple more minutes on the other side. And we can add the Yorkshire twist.
I do have pepper if you need pepper.
Do you?
Yeah.
A bit of pepper might be good, eh? Alright, I'm reckoning these will be about ready, so let's just have a quick look on that side. I think we did this one. So that side's alright. Let's just do a quick flipperoonie. Oh, just caught that. A little bit of black fat. That can come off. That's all that is black burnt fat. Pop that over the edge.
That happened with me yesterday, didn't it?
Went quick. Yorkshire twist. The Yorkshire twist. Put that over there. Squish that. Whoop. Knock the stove all over. Hey, look at that. Sat inside almost. Get that in there. Yorkshire twist. That one over the top. And then try and squash this down and see how it goes.
I think you just need to do it quick, eh?
We're almost there. Squish that in. Right, now these won't take long before they burn.
Go hard.
Yeah, so. Right, let's just flip that over and check it out. Oh yeah, they're okay. Leave that there now to cook on the other side. Right, let's just flip that and have a look. I think it smells as though it's about ready. Yeah, I think I've caught that just before it gets too caramelised. Let's turn the gas off. Let's get this plated up. There we go.
Oh, is it not looking?
Not bad, eh? Taste test time.
Have they gone hard?
Filth. No, they're nice and soft.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Good.
Welsh burgers with a Yorkshire twist. You know what to do if you like this. All that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching. Now go and give it a go.